So, welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I want to show you guys a couple of things today. Really, it's just a Dollar Tree haul. Some things I picked up. I went to one of my local Dollar Trees recently, and they had some of the vinyl. I just wanted to show you some of the colors and things that I got. So, yellow and green, gold glitter, silver glitter, black glitter, red, not glitter, just red. Let's see here, a rose gold, which I thought was so pretty. This looks like blue, and then I also got white. I want to show you some other things that I picked up, and let me just say, I know these Dollar Tree vinyl is controversial. Some people love it, some people hate it. I just wanted to try it out for $1. I can play with it. If nothing more, I'm thinking I can use it in my laminator and laminate some different things, so it won't be a loss. I'll figure some things out with that. So if it doesn't hold on my cups, it's okay. Sometimes it's just nice to experiment and try things out for yourself. I got these cups. Now, you know these are 2 for $1. These are the Take It To Go cups. And I got this mug. I just picked these things out because you guys saw my last video where I was experimenting with the turtle wax, I think it was, label remover. And I was able to take the paint off of popcorn buckets. Well, I tried it with both of these, and as you can see, nothing happened. So I picked up those things just to see if it would do anything with that, and it didn't. I also got this mug, super cute. I wanted to see if it would do that with that also. I haven't had a chance to actually try it, but I may try it. I don't know. I like this mug, so I might just leave it alone. I thought these were really, really cute, so I picked them up. These are fabulous little ornaments, and I know some people don't want to see fall and Christmas in the same video, but it's what it is. It's out. But see, these are really, really cute. And they had 3 different styles: the buffalo plaid, red and white with some sparkle in it, and another kind of plaid in it. So they were really pretty. So I picked those up. I haven't seen those everywhere. And then I got a couple of eye masks. My daughter has been into eye masks, and honestly, she had one of the 2 of them. I couldn't remember which one it was, so I got that. And this one is slightly different. It almost has like a foam feel to it as opposed to a lighter, thinner feel of these. So I got them. I really wanted to see what was on the inside of this, so I got it. But purple is my favorite color, and so I may end up keeping it for myself. But that's my Dollar Tree haul. I also got some other things. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me go get it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but these were not from my original Dollar Tree haul, but I was able to get the African American elves. So let me see if I can do this without knocking everything over around me. Because I haven't actually opened them. So let me just unbox them here. Something wants to be in my face right now. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I know these are going to be so cute, but these guys have been hard to find. Oh, they actually come. Okay, so I'm just going to let them hang so you can see. They actually are on the chain like you see in the store. And so they're just dangling, I guess. So when you get them in the store, they can just grab them and put them up. So they're all attached by the chain. But there should be some females and males. So let me see if I can pull off a female and a male for you guys. Now they have these on the Dollar Tree website. Alright, so this is one of the females. But they have them on the Dollar Tree site. You see she has her little skirt, a little hat, little elf ears, and you can personalize them however you want. But again, they have them on the site, and they have 2 skin tones, I think, for African Americans or people of color. And so this is the guy. That's the male, and that's the female. And they are super cute. And she has her little skirt and her white, and he has this little outfit, and they both have their little stockings and all that. But so they're in time for the holiday. Of course, you guys know, if you don't know, you can order from Dollar Tree online. You can have it shipped to the store at no cost if you have a store near you, and you just go pick it up. The benefit is you can get a case of something. If it's something you want to make, sell, give away, you have it, and you have it, everything you need. The downfall could be, possibly, depending, is how many you actually have to order. I think in this case I got 36. I'm happy to have them 36, whether I sell them, give them away, or whatever. It's nice to have that amount because I think I can use them. These are supposed to be medium skin tone. I'm looking, maybe it's just my lighting. But she looks a little darker than he does. So I'm wondering if I ended up getting some type of variety here, because this is another female and she looks a little lighter. Maybe it's just my lighting where I'm standing. Not that it matters to me, but just so you guys would know what you're getting. But they do have a skin tone that they call a deep skin tone, and then they have a medium skin tone. Sometimes on Dollar Tree site you can order by unit, so you can order 6 instead of a case of 36. But a lot of times when you try to order a smaller amount, they end up wanting to ship through UPS or something like that, and it's an additional shipping cost. So it might just be better just to get a case, even if you split them with somebody, and use them that way. Or if you have a church group or a youth group, these can be some fun things, or even teachers to give out in classrooms. But I just wanted to show you guys because I was really excited about getting these. Again, I know my people who aren't ready for the holiday, y'all not ready for all of this, but it's coming, so you might as well be ready. I do have some cards I want to show you guys soon. This is one of the cards I made recently. I think I posted it to one of the Facebook groups, and people wanted to know what I did and things like that. So if I got a chance, I'll show you start to finish what I've been doing to make cards. That's really been fun for me, so I want to show you guys that. But this will be my quick video on my Dollar Tree haul. Every time I get a chance, I try to go to Dollar Tree, end up picking stuff up, end up picking up more stuff than I need. But I want to do some fun things with these, and hopefully I will have some more fun things coming up for you guys, and I will let you know how the vinyl works out. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day. I hope this helps somebody.